My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the online scam that claims to be the alert from Windows Defender Security Center. In reality, this is a totally fake alert and it is not related to Windows, to Microsoft, or Windows support. These fake alerts quote a fake Windows support number +1 866 812 2829. This is a fake security helpline. It is not related to Windows or Microsoft, so you shouldn't call this fake Windows support number. Don't interact with these deceptive pop-ups. Such pop-ups try to make you call this number, and if you do that, you will hear some online hackers who stand behind these fake alerts. They may try to connect to your computer remotely, then they may demand from you to pay money supposedly to get it fixed. So don't ever interact with these deceptive and fake alerts. We recommend you to leave this page, and also we recommend you to thoroughly research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin carefully researching and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats fully from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.